Some clients needs part number in the duct fabrication drawing. Unfortunately, there is no such inbuilt functions in Revit. So I created a simple Dynamo which will help to place part number continuously. Enter the first part number in Dynamo. Please select true, if you need the tag with a leader. If you don't like part number with a leader, then select false. If we need to do this process by manual, first we need to enter part number in properties, then we need to place the tag. But if we use this Dynamo, we just need to select the duct and need to pick the location where we need to place the tag. If the duct is vertical, tag will place vertically. If the duct is horizontal, tag will place horizontally. Hit on escape button to exit from the function. Continue the same process until finish the numbering.